It's match number 24 of the Hero IWL 2022-23. Good afternoon and welcome to the Shahibag Police Stadium, Ahmedabad, for a Group B encounter between Celtic Queens Football Club and Odisha Football Club. It's between number 2 and number 8. Skumari Nandita blows the whistle. And here we go, match number 24. Attack now. Anju Tamang. Good looking run from the left. That's a good cross. And Faustina scores the first goal for Odisha FC. Faustina Akpo scores early on. And a terrible defending there as Arifa Zahir tries to find Anju Tamang. Anju Tamang still controls. Good skill there. And this is Cynthia. She takes a shot but misses the target. Cynthia can't believe it. Look at that. Lovely skill. She goes past Grace Mercy and Bania Kabiraj. Finds Anju Tamang. This can be dangerous. This is Bania once again. Cynthia. Will she take a shot? Has she been brought down? It's inside the penalty box, it seems. We have to wait and see what the decision is of the referee. No, nothing given. So here we are entering into added time. Anju. In comes the cross. That's Cynthia. Will she take a shot? Cynthia takes a shot and that's punched out. A quick response there from Odisha FC. Through Anju Tamang, in comes the cross. Cleared away, not very comprehensively. This can be a goal. Yes, it is. So goal number 2. This is Bania Kabiraj scoring the second goal for Odisha FC. Can't receive the ball well as Narem Kushi gets the ball, and that's the last bit of action before half-time. So at half-time, the score reads Odisha FC 2, Celtic Queens FC 0. The player from Punjab has made it to the ground. And here we go. This is the score then. It's 2-0. Will it be 3? As that was a shot from Linda Kalm. Corner quickly taken. Anju, and that can be another one. Oh dear, it was so close. So there will be a quarter-final, there will be semi-final and final as well in this Hero IWL. Oh, lovely pass. Anju, this can be a goal. Oh, Linda Kalm with that skillful touch. Another attack. Anju, will she cross? She crosses and she's appealing for a handball, is she? But that was in fact outside the penalty box. This is Linda Kalm and she gets the third goal. Lovely shot. Lovely shot. And lovely goal there. Anju. That was Anju Tamang, and meanwhile the long whistle has been blown by the referee. Anju Tamang is the hero of the match. This is the final score then. Odisha FC 3, Celtic Queens Football Club 0.